So as a Jamaican YouTuber, I interact and converse with many Jamaicans in the diaspora on a daily basis. And through discussions, many Jamaicans are of the opinion and the view that based on the crime situation, they will not be coming back to Jamaica and then finish with Jamaica and them glad them left Jamaica. Zane, and I understand that self-preservation is key and thing, and at the end of the day, a person can only determine what is best for them in their opinion. Then you will have some people saying that the government not doing nothing and there are no jobs and thing, and the youths are unemployed and unattached and stuff. But I want all the Jamaicans in the diaspora, I mean, before you ask what is the government doing for the country, Zane, ask what can I do for this country, or have I done anything for this country? And I know that some Jamaicans are willing to bite the proverbial bullet, so to speak, and return home either after retirement or to invest in Jamaica to create business and to provide employment. And one such Jamaican is Gavin Russell. He was born in the UK, but he was born to Jamaican parents. He has recently come back to the country and has invested and has started a business in the western end of the island called GFC, General Fried Chickens, and also an outdoor cinema. I'm going to share his story.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
So we can ask a question till we blow. What is the government doing? Why are there so many unattached and unemployed youths? And what is the government doing to create jobs? We can ask that. And the fact of the matter is that I don't know that we will reach a stage as a country where the government will be able to provide jobs for everybody. So it will take ambitious Jamaicans, it will take Jamaicans who have been successful in their careers and their endeavors to invest in the country, to create job opportunities so other persons coming up can benefit from this. And one such person, as I said, is Gavin Russell. He was born and raised in the UK, but his parents are Jamaican. And he decided that despite the crime situation, despite the economic climate, he is willing to invest in Jamaica, to create jobs. And even though his job is not one that is huge, it is a start and it can blossom into something very, very beautiful. So the business is multi-dimensional, but the main aspect of the business is the GFC section, the General Fried Chicken section, where he says he is the fried wings king. And it is similar to KFC, but it is fried chicken with a Jamaican taste for Jamaican people. And he prides himself on being self-sufficient. So all the chicken that he is preparing is raised and grown by him or persons associated with him. So that is a great move there. There are also other aspects of the business where he has a outdoor cinema and he calls it movie nights under the moonlight. And there's also a gaming section where you have a thing called Jamaican FIFA Kings and things. So it's a multifaceted thing. You go there, you drive up, watch the movie, you go over, buy some fried chicken or some fried wings and thing, and you are supporting now. And this business is based in the Lucy area, I'm thinking, right? So all the persons around in Montego Bay and Negril who are traversing that area find this, the spot and support the thing.
Come in.
Show me the wings, man. How the wings taste? Tell me.
Wings is
Oh,
spicy and
yes,
delicious.
yes, they look gorgeous.
So no business starts from the top up and then build downwards. You start from the bottom and you build to the top. And this is a great initiative. This is a Jamaican in the diaspora who felt a need to come back home, to invest in Jamaica and to build Jamaica. You understand? I know some persons are fearful. I know some persons are very apprehensive, and some persons are very, very concerned about the levels of crime and criminality that currently exist in the country. I understand that. You understand what I say? But at the end of the day, we need to understand that the government alone cannot fix this. The government alone cannot do this. They cannot provide all the jobs that are needed. And many of my Jamaican brothers and sisters have managed to eke out a good standard of living for themselves and have acquired enough money and assets to be able to invest in businesses in Jamaica. It may not be huge business, but you start from somewhere and you'd be amazed as to how well the business will grow. So this is one Jamaican taking a leap of faith, seeing a need, seeing a niche, and has decided to take steps to fill it. So I wish all the best and all the success to Gavin Russell and his General Fried Chicken concept, and I hope it grows and it will have a branch or a location in all 14 parishes, then it spread across the Caribbean and back into the UK. You understand? Because these things always have potential. So this is a great example of one Jamaican putting his money where his mouth is and taking a step to make a difference. Well done, my friend, and all the best.
So Andrea, tell me now, what do you think about this whole setup?
Well, I think it's the best.
1 second.
I think it's the best in town.
Yes, beautiful.
Yeah.
So you recommend?
It's nice.
Yeah, General Fried Chicken is beautiful, right?
General fried chicken is nice.
Yes.
And everybody like it.
Everybody loves it. Loves it, not likes.
Everybody loves it.
This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.